Okay, I don't know if you guys remember this guy, Rust.
Ooh, Lou.
Or 010. He is from, this video. Okay. So let me give you the rundown real quick. If you watch this video, you know exactly what I'm talking about and how weird it is.